What is going on, everyone? Got a 2020 GLC300. This is how you reset the maintenance. I'm show you how to get into the service menu really quick, okay? So, foot off the brake, doors closed, hit engine start stop one time, all right? Yours won't have this battery message, hopefully. We're gonna get rid of that with the enter button here. Now you need the cluster. This is the digital cluster. You need it on miles or trip. If yours not on miles or trip, hit home, find trip, enter, okay? Now what we're gonna do is you have the back button and the enter button here. We're gonna hold back for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then continue holding it, hit enter. And this is the service menu here. This is what you're looking for. Go down, assist plus. I want you to hit the start stop button again, foot off the brake. Allows you into the service menu. Go down, full service, pick your service, confirm service, oil grade, okay, hit yes, you want to confirm, hit enter, and you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it, drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you guys in the next video.